Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the engine is cool. You'll need a new headlight bulb, which you can find at any auto parts store, and possibly a flathead screwdriver. Begin by opening your hood and locating the back of the headlight assembly. It's usually accessible without removing the entire bumper, making this an easy method for anyone to follow. Once you've located the assembly, you'll likely see a plastic cover or a dust cap. Gently twist or unclip this cover to expose the bulb. Next, you'll need to release the retaining spring or twist the bulb itself counterclockwise, depending on your specific model. Be careful not to force anything. With the bulb unsecured, you can now carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Now take your new headlight bulb. Hold it by the plastic base, avoiding contact with the glass, as oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure the tabs align correctly. Once it's seated, secure it by re-engaging the retaining spring or twisting it clockwise until it's firm. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click, ensuring a secure connection. With the new bulb installed and connected, it's time to replace the dust cap or plastic cover. Make sure it's sealed tightly to protect the bulb from moisture and debris. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. If it doesn't light up, double-check your connections. This simple process can save you time and money. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.